bed for your facials that will keep your clients coming back for more. The first thing you want to start with is a comfy bed, and I like to put on my bed a nice foam pad that you have under here that gives it some extra squish. And then I do have a couple blankets here which aren't really necessary. Here I have a massaging heated mat that really gives it a little extra comfort, and then it also gives them a massage for their back while they're getting their facial, which will keep them coming back for more. The first thing I like to do, this is my sheets that are always on the bed, but for a facial, I lay down my top sheet. I like to place the pillow underneath the sheet. That way it's not moving around, and it also protects the pillow from getting any product on there. On top of this sheet, if it's a summer day and it's, you know, it's very, very hot outside, I'm gonna add just this one other sheet on top. And I like to have the room cool, and then with the heater on the bed, that way when they climb in, it's cool in the room, but it's nice and warm inside the bed. This sheet here, you're going to flip over like this, fold down like this. That's one way you can do it. The other thing I like to have ready for them, and I have this going, the wrap that's going to go around them, I like to have it folded and nicely tucked in here so that it's nice and warm when they come to put it on. Now say it's a cold day outside and it's winter time, I like to add another step to make this bed extra comfortable and cozy. A nice big fluffy blanket on top. And then to protect this blanket, you don't have to be washing this every time you have a facial. You're going to add another sheet on top of this blanket. This is going to protect the blanket so it stays clean for your next client. Like this. And then you're going to take the two sheets, that one on the bottom of the blanket, one on the top, and then you also have your sheet here on the bottom. So this is a total of 3 sheets. Fold and flip over. So this gives the client a really comfy, cozy bed for them to relax and have their facial. And then once they're here and they're on their bed, I like to tuck one of these half-moon pillows underneath their legs to give them some support. So once they're there laying down, I'll tuck that in and they're nice and cozy. So something else I'm going to add to the bed to protect it and to prepare is one of these. This is a potato cloth. I lay this down to protect my sheet. I lay this flat like this. That way any products or anything, I will get it on here, and then this is easier for me to clean and keep my sheets protected. And then I have another one that I'm going to use to wrap their hair. So you fold it in half like this. And then one more over, and then you're going to lay it on top so it's ready for them. So once they're laying down with their head here and you get them started and you're going to wrap their hair, you can do this and you're just going to tuck it on this side right here. I prefer this over a headband. I feel like the headband squeezes their heads, and I've had it give some clients anxiety, so I feel like this works better. It's not so tight on their head and it leaves them very comfortable. And this is how you can set up a wonderful facial bed that your clients are going to come back for more. Thank you.